I started noticing my hair was thinning around in college. It was like just this one spot in like the right side near the bangs. And I didn't think too much of it at first. I was just like, okay, it looks a little different over there. And it just sort of gradually started happening a lot faster. I never really realized how much it affected my looks and how much my looks would matter to me as I got older. You know, you think about that type of thing when you're going into job interviews and stuff, like, you know you're supposed to look your best. I know people say, you know, no one really notices the things you notice about yourself, but I always feel like, kind of like maybe there's like a spotlight on it. They'll be just looking directly at where I'm losing my hair. It's not gonna get any better. It's probably not gonna stop. So I wanted to get proactive, wanted to see if there was anything at all I could do for it. It's gotten to the point now where admittedly I don't really go out many places unless I know I can wear a hat. I'm hiding it a lot. That's why I kind of came here. I don't want to hide anymore. When I first came here, I was just really curious to see what would happen. I didn't really think there were any options. I was just like, this is something I have to live with. When Joe laid everything out in front of me, showed me what was possible and showed me, yes, we can help you, I was kind of blown away, right? His testimony itself and the pictures he showed of how far he came, that was probably one of the biggest selling points. I was told several different options. I went with hair grafting because at my age and with how aggressive my hair loss has been, he told me that would be the best option because eventually I may have to get another one. And he told me by going with hair grafting, it allows me to have further procedures from my donor area in the future. I realized pretty much then and there, I gotta do this. I should take the chance.
So it's been 2 months since my hair transplant. I don't know how well you guys can see, but I'm all healed up. No signs of redness or anything like that. So you can't even really tell I've had an operation, which is great. Okay, update on month number 3. It might be because I'm just a little bit overdue for a haircut, but I haven't been noticing really any see-through, which is pretty awesome. So I've stopped wearing a hat outside of work, which is, you know, really cool. I did not expect to have this much growth in this short of amount of time. So yeah, I'm very excited to see what happens next. Quick update, month number 5 here. I'm just gonna let the results speak for themselves. Look at that. Okay, quick update for half a year. We are now 7 months out, and as you can see, the results are fantastic. Alright, 10 months out. I don't know if you guys can tell just from looking at it like this, but even here, 10 months later, I am still noticing little subtle improvements in the thickness and fullness of my hair, which is very cool. Okay, hard to believe it's been almost a year, but we are 11 months out now, and as you can see, it's almost like I never even had to have an operation at all. Hey, it's been a little over a year now. Here, I'm gonna give you a quick update here. Let you take a look. As you can see, the results have been phenomenal. And not just for my appearance, but for me as a person as well. This is just, not only has it restored a lot of my self-confidence, but I feel a lot happier now that I've had these results. Not just because I feel more comfortable with how I look, but because it's like a huge stress that has been removed from my life, you know. I don't have to worry so much about what I felt was a glaring flaw I was very embarrassed about. So yeah, I'm happier, I'm more confident, I have hair. So I just want to thank you guys so much for what you've done for me. The operation has really turned my life around, and I'm just in a much better place than when I was losing my hair. So thank you guys again so much.